What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. It's a new day. This week has been mildly frustrating and it's tested my patience, and I definitely didn't follow my plan yesterday. That's entirely on me. Anyway, it's a new day. Time to move on. So we're at Thursday, June 11th. And PPI just came out, so that's the only news, really. Perfect. Let's see what we're working with. All right, we're still bearish. Man, these candles have been so insanely large. I just tried my hand yesterday and they didn't want to. Yesterday was not like, the day was not like this where we could just drop, or even like this where it just dropped and then roll back up. It was a bit of a pain in the butt. All right, so they took out they didn't take out the 15-minute extreme, which is what I would have aimed for. They did it in today's candle, and they took out the previous day's low here. And we're below the midpoint of this bigger wick, or we were, not now. It's got 4 hour, still bearish. We're going to repurpose. So they've tapped into the 4 hour bearish fair value gap and dropped aggressively from there. Let's change the color. Very nice. And so this is today's low. Let's do a little cleanup here. Nice sweep. So shorts are definitely still in play for me. I like that aggressive move back down. Let's see here on the 1 hour. Where's midnight open? Right here. So I'm just keeping this on my chart so I can stay on top of right there. Midnight open. All right. So we opened, London rolled up, failed to take any highs. This is yesterday's 10 a.m. sweep, and looks like if I waited till the PM, I might have gotten something juicy. I'll check that out. I was really salty, so it was a little hard for me to get comfy. Where is London? Oh, they just took London lows out right there, right here. And Asia lows are all the way down here, near this previous day's low. So still be aiming for that. I'm just going to note it anyway, just so I'm not missing out. So as usual, now we're looking for shorts, and hopefully candles aren't so ginormous that my stop is just lost in the sauce and I can't get any kind of trades. In the meantime, be more patient today, honestly. Definitely try and be more patient. I will note this bullish fair value gap that held price up. We didn't really get see how they behave inside of it. And I'll be waiting till probably 10-ish. 10 after the hour closes to see how things are working out. All right, those are my targets for the day. Looks like, I don't know if we'll get a sweep. London highs are all the way up here. So I don't know if we're going to get a sweep with this aggressive 830 move down, but let's note it really quickly. And I'll keep an open mind. So, hope everybody else is doing well in this week. But that's all I got for now. Be safe, be good. Shakira out.